Hi, this is Anne. Today I'm gonna texture this board. I'm thinking about maybe to paint a dove with flowers on it or something. I'm not sure yet. I'm gonna use this Den Braven paintable acrylic sealant. I hope you can see there to texture my board. I don't know if you can find it anywhere, but you can find it locally here in South Africa. So it works very nice and it dries clear and it paints very nice. So I like this texture paste. I didn't paint my board beforehand. I'm not sure if I wanna, maybe I must cover almost every, no, I don't want to cover everything. So I'm just gonna texture this a little bit. I think I want a little bit more texture here on top because I'm gonna put my flowers there. You can see, I hope you can see it. I'm just gonna, some places do this and maybe smooth it again over, or even take this palette knife and just maybe make squiggles in it. I also love to use my bamboo skewer, but I don't think I'm going to use that today. Just want to make some texture here and there, sorry. You can see this makes very nice texture. I love this squiggly lines. I'm gonna take some of them away now. I think that's all I'm gonna do for now. I'm just gonna leave this to dry, and then I'm gonna paint on top of this. And as I said, you can find this in any local hardware store in South Africa. Okay, I'm going to paint this little bird with a, I'm thinking of these type of flowers. So I'm just going to use my whites, Naples or buff, I'm not sure yet, a little bit of Windsor blue, a little bit of burnt umber, and a little bit of magenta. I'm going to try and keep with these few colors. So I'm just going to make the bird white as well. Okay, and I used a China marker, a Sharpie, to draw this on top of this. I just got another brush. That one is too soft for me. So you can see if you've got a little bit of texture there and you want to put a lighter color on top, you can just sort of dry brush this area and the darks will come through there. Oh, I picked up a little bit of purple and that was not my intention, but that happens if you paint with a dirty palette. So I maybe can use this and put in a little bit of dark areas in the bird that I want to. I was going to use my blues and my magentas to make the purple, but it's fine. I'm still going to use a little bit of magenta here and there. And I'm going to make my flowers pink, so I'm just going to use this on my brush and just start making shapes for that flower there. I'm just putting in a few leaves. Just want to take a smaller brush. Okay, I'm gonna try and start with these flowers. So I'm going to take my Sharpie now and I'm just going to make random lines, or lines where I think everything must go, just in the wet paint. I'm just wiping the point off every time because there's a lot of thick paint there. I've got a red China Sharpie here and a white one also, this peel off China marker. I just want to bring a little bit, maybe I'm just thinking about it, a little bit more depth into this. I just want to see what this does. I don't know if I like this. This is the stems. I'm just picking up a little bit of my white on the tip of my brush, and I'm just going to, maybe I must have made it dark first. Okay, I took out the paint pens. I'm not sure if I'm going to use it. I hope this is dry now, that I actually just want to use my Sharpie because it makes unexpected marks where this is too controlled for me. So it's gonna be better. Yeah. It's better now that it's dry. So I'll just put in a little bit of actually, I don't know if you can see that, but I actually I've got a lot of texture where the flowers are. So maybe if you plan it better than me, but I don't mind. It doesn't bother me. You can maybe don't struggle like me. I just think I'm going to make, they are actually white stems, but I just want to make it, yeah, this white paint is still wet, but it's alright. So I think what I'm going to do now is maybe use these. I didn't want to, but I think I'm going to use it just to make a few dark stems at the back so that you can actually see them. Just when here where I struggle a little bit, try and I think that's enough for now. Now I press too hard as usual, and there you have it. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give me a thumbs up, and you can share, or you can like, or you can subscribe, or whatever. If you don't want to, it's also fine with me. But if you like this, I will definitely see you next time, and have a lovely day.